This is our adjustable shower caddy. With the turn of our quick adjust dial, you can easily reposition the shelves up, down, or sideways to make room for taller bottles. You can even store bottles upside down for effortless dispensing. There's a movable divider that helps keep small items or modern tools from falling over, and a quick dry soap dish that drains water completely so your soap stays dry and lasts longer. Convenient storage hooks can hold a razor or a loofah so you can keep your shower essentials close. And it's easy to install. Just screw the clamp in over the shower head and engage the suction cups below for a secure and sturdy fit. And because it's made from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, it won't rust. Plus, it's easy to clean. Time to declutter.